If you're struggling with nasal congestion, allergies, or sinus pressure, nasal douching could change the way you breathe. Nasal douching gently flushes out dust, allergens, mucus, and bacteria. It helps reduce sinus infections, improve breathing, and keep your nose healthy. You'll need a nasal irrigation bottle or Neti Pot, saline powder or salt baking soda mix, and clean boiled or distilled water, never straight tap water. Mix the solution according to the package or recipe, usually 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda per 500 milliliters of water. Lean forward, tilt your head slightly, insert the nozzle gently in the upper nostril, breathe through your mouth, and let the solution flow out the other side. Once done, blow your nose gently to remove any remaining fluid. Rinse and air dry the device for hygiene. Use daily during allergy season or when congested. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Breathe better with simple nasal douching. Like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and comment your questions below.